What's happening, my worthless sacks of shit? Today we're talking about how you can lose up to 43 pounds in 2 weeks, eating mostly air. What we're actually talking about, field of view, FOV, millimeters. What does it mean? Why do we care? I don't care. If you don't already know, then you and go somewhere else. Millimeters, why it means nothing. Because a 50 mil on a crop sensor is a 75 mil effective. So we use the archaic millimeter designation, which serves no purpose whatsoever, especially with the plethora of different formats that we have in today's camera world. These millimeters need to be replaced with field of view designations, because what we're really trying to guesstimate when we think of a 50 mil is we're trying to guesstimate its arc or field of view. That's what we're really after. So instead of having a 17 millimeter Micro Four Thirds lens, it should be just the field of view and the f-stop. The millimeter is useless. The only thing useful of a millimeter designation is technically a 50 millimeter lens. The nodal point is supposed to be 50 millimeters from the surface of the image sensor when focused to infinity. The only use of that information is if you're doing panorama photography and you have a rig set up, which I have, and you're trying to align the nodal points, because when you the nodal point is where your light rays converge and your image is inverted, and you want to align that as the pivot point for panoramas to remove any parallax so that your images are perfectly blended together, if you're really nitpicky about your panoramas. So millimeters in that instance can give you an idea of where your nodal point is on your lens, allegedly. So that's the only use that really is, but you still kind of have to guess anyway, and you really want to test your nodal point when you're doing that stuff anyway. So what I'm saying is millimeters are useless. We need field of view designations for all lenses. Manufacturers, if you're watching this, do it for me. Do it because you love me. Do it because you love yourself. Do it because little Timmy in the crib in the back room, he's not my baby, I stole him. Do it for little Timmy. And with that, I bid you adieu. Like, share, subscribe. If you don't, a fairy loses its wings. I don't care that much, but the fairy does.